Here's the car show.
They wrote her truck. It was a tribute.
Oh, a tribute? Yes. Yeah, I had one. Yeah, I had one.
Wow. So the Corrado just pulled in, and that, and this, some Impreza wagon, and then there's a Plymouth somewhere. I don't know where it is, but they're my favorite. Check this out, boys and girls. Drag truck.
Made this song because he was doing it. That's no kidding. It was never released as a single, and yet everybody seems to know it. He was free, which he is.
But I didn't find.
Wow. Some nostalgia here. Now this sticker surprises me a lot. Wilson Chevrolet Oldsmobile Geo. I like this, especially on an old Cavalier. Cobras, they're so nice. With numbers of imports and muscle, I'm saved by a Volkswagen bus. It's beautiful. And I went to Prince Edward Island. That's actually pretty dope. Well guys, I finally found it. A running Chrysler Cordoba in wonderful condition. Wow. If any of you remember, I saw one of these at a junkyard and it was scrap, but this is amazing. Purple rain. I think my favorite thing about this Falcon, it doesn't look the cleanest. Like, rusty hood, it doesn't have a glossy look. Like, it's just another car. Like, a 90s car. It's just rusted up. Well, not completely rusted up, but it's still got rust on it. But, like, it's what makes it pretty. And the stickers on it, the interior, wow, I like it. Good beer. Dark as my soul. And it's got roll cage. Oh yeah. Drag car. Wow. So guys, that is it for this video of the car show in Midland. I love going there. All types of cars there, trucks, vans, etc. So yeah, see you next time.